No delays. Here's your headlines for today. A pretty good start to the morning. No rain falling. However, today we're going to see lots of clouds around all the way through the afternoon. Kind of an unsettled weekend as well. And showers, like I said, will be possible later today, but rain likely once we get into Sunday. And I'll show you that in the Storm Tracker forecast in a little bit. 53 degrees currently in Savannah. We're seeing the low country starting out in the mid 50s there at Hilton Head. 51 from Springfield all the way down to Hinesville, also Jessup and Blackshear. Most of the inland areas, you can see it from Alma all the way up through Metter, also Statesboro into Hampton, running right around about 50 degrees. And here's that hourly forecast for today, starting out into the, let's say 50s, and will slowly warm up throughout the day. It's looking like we'll probably be about 64 degrees by 1 and 2 o'clock with plenty of clouds, mostly cloudy all the way through the afternoon. Highs or average high is 60, so about 4 degrees above it later today. Now here's a complete look at the Storm Tracker forecast. 51 degrees, 8 o'clock. We go into the 3 o'clock hour, 64 degrees. Do have on here a slight chance for a shower, but one thing you'll notice today, just pretty much mostly cloudy all the way through the afternoon, and then into the evening, cloudy skies, a few showers possible later this evening, and a temperature of 56. We did have a little bit of light rain that passed through earlier this morning. That has moved off the coast. When you spread this out and look across much of the southeast, lots of shower activity from Arkansas, Mississippi, and Alabama. The bulk of this rain right here will stay to the north of us throughout the day, which is good news. So the last day of the work week for some of you, we'll see pretty much dry conditions. But unfortunately, once we go in the weekend, we'll see that rain begin to really ramp up as we go into Sunday. And I have that right here. The model is handling things pretty well. We'll go all the way through the next 72 hours. And starting out with lots of clouds all the way through the afternoon. And I was telling you, not a whole lot of rain today, less than 1/10 of an inch in most spots if you do have a light rain shower. We go into the evening, may see a shower or two. You can see from Vidalia to Statesboro, but all the way into Saturday morning, fairly dry. But you see those thick cloud cover all the way into the morning on Saturday, also into the afternoon. More clouds and sunshine. And tomorrow will be more of a feature of just widely scattered showers throughout the afternoon. And then on Sunday morning, starting out dry. But watch this, into the afternoon, evening, a big line of rain moves through. This is out ahead of a cold front. We'll see that heavy downpours probably beginning about 2 or 3 o'clock for the inland areas, spreading close to the coast by 4 and 5 o'clock. So get ready for a good chance for rain on Sunday. Saturday's forecast. Now the temperatures though will be mild over the weekend, mid 70s, and that rain will be likely, like I said, late in the day on Sunday into the evening. Once that front moves through, we'll dry things up just in time for the weekend, or actually just for the first part of next week. For Monday, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds. So I was saying drying things up for early next week. 62 degrees for highs, and then on Tuesday 64, and then turning much colder once we get into the middle, especially the end of next week. We'll probably see the coldest air we've seen so far this winter season. Morning lows in the 20s next Thursday, highs mid 40s. And Cassidy, I said this earlier in the show that some of the latest computer models have been coming out. I've been looking at them over the last couple of hours. It is showing maybe even colder than that 46 potentially. We'll keep everyone updated on that big Arctic blast potentially.
Wow. Okay, we'll be waiting and ready for it.
Yeah, but in the meantime, we're going to see 70s this weekend and then somewhat 30 degrees colder potentially by the end of next week.
Oh my goodness. Just